Hello everyone and welcome back to AW Programming and Lectures. In today's lecture we will cover sets and dictionaries. So let's begin with set. So what are set? Set is an unordered collection with no duplicate elements, and set supports mathematical operations like union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. So let's try an example. If I write A as a set, and in that I will store a string which is abracadabra, and similarly I write another set B in which I store another string which is alakazam. And now what will set give us? So set gives us unique characters. Basically, uh, what is set? It is an unordered collection with no duplicate elements. So if I write A, it will give us no duplicate elements. As you can see, a we got a once only, whereas on we can see we got a one, first one here, second is here, then third over here, and similarly fourth is over here, and similarly five. So we got five a's in our abracadabra, but we got one a in our set. So similarly, if we write b, we also get unique characters. So now what else we can do? We can write a minus b, so it will give us unique characters in a but not in b. So similarly, a or b will give us letters in both a and b, or a or b. So you will get a combination of both these letters basically. So you can see. So similarly, what else we can do? We can write a and b. So what will this give? So this will give letters both in a and b. As you can see, unique letter which is a present in a is a comma c, and similarly b in b a comma c. Now moving on to next, we got a and this b. So similarly, what will this give us? This will give us letters in A or B, but not both. So a letter should be present in A or B, but not in A or B. So we can see common of A and B was C and A. So we got uh, our set other than A and B. So thank you everyone. Now let's move to dictionaries. So now let's discuss dictionaries. A dictionary is a collection that allows us to look up information associated with arbitrary keys called mapping. So Python dictionaries are mappings, or you can say a dictionary in Python is a collection of key value pairs. Each key is connected to a value, and you can use a key to access the value associated with that key. So to how to create a dictionary can be created in Python by listing key value pairs inside of curly braces. Now let's discuss an example. So let's create an example of dictionary. So I will create a city as a dictionary which stores city name as its key and gives us value as if it is a capital, or can say a metro city or a simple city. Since I am an Indian, so I know more about Indian cities, so I can write them about more. So let's begin. So I'll write city, and then I can write first I'll write Delhi. Since Delhi is the capital of India, so I can write here capital, or you can say capital city, just like capital. And then I can write another city which is Mumbai, and about it I can also write its metro. So this will do. And for another I can write Chennai, or you can say Bangalore, doesn't matter. So it is also metro, so we'll write metro. And in this way our dictionary gets created. So you can see this is our dictionary. Now to access this dictionary, I can write print, then I can write a dictionary name which is city, or you can just simply write city. So both works in the same manner. So now what if we want to access some particular value also? So let's just do that also. So I'll write my dictionary name which is city, and then I will write the key. So if I write key as my, Delhi is my, since Delhi, Mumbai, and Chennai is my key, so I can write any one of them. So let's write Delhi. So just simply write Delhi over here. So it will give capital as an output. It's not mandatory, that dictionary should be in string format. You can also take number here like 1, 2, 3, and you can also take a string or number here.